Okay, let's talk about Palantir. So the conversation was that someone wanted to take this inside 60 on Palantir to short. Palantir is currently one of the strongest tickers in the market. Look. This killing Browning formation is just going outside of them left and right. These are quite old. Look at this. 3-2 on the week. The week is green as hell. The month just started and it's triggered this 3-2, right? Granted, it is red, but it's still above the trigger. Well, maybe not now, but it was when we was discussing. Or maybe it wasn't. This would have been the trigger. Okay, so I can see that. Look at this. It's just strong, right? Palantir is showing strength. It's been showing strength. And I understand, like, this day is red. Could you short it for one day? Yes. But we don't really want to short strong stocks. We want to short weak stocks. Which was the discussion we were having. So, I was mentioning that if you take this short down, right? This inside hour down, you want to be looking to get the hell out when you hit your first hourly magnitude. Like, I'm moving my stops pretty bloody tight. And it was such a battle to even get there, right? So you have this inside 30. It triggers the inside 30. Well, it actually goes up and then goes 3 for the inside 30. And then it goes back up, right? Like, this action here is just annoying to sit through. Look at Microsoft. This is a short that you want to take. Take it, low of day, right? New low of day, puts it in. That's what I was mentioning. So then we also talked about how, number one, it's strong, very strong. Number two, at that time, the indices weren't even, what is this notification? Come on. At this time, the indices weren't a short yet. They were still, it was like around this moment, right? This hour. So the indices were not on your side with Palantir. I'm trying to decide if I want to take this SPY long. 1 second. Ooh, yeah. So the time of day is 2:10, right? About to trigger this hour. About to re-trigger the hour, pardon me. And the reason why I'm thinking maybe I'll take it is because we haven't hit weekly magnitude here, right? So 3-2 week on SPY. I'll make it bigger for you. See? 3-2 week on SPY. This is my magnitude, right? So yeah, I even have a target here. SPY target, exit now. So I'm gonna get into this SPY trade for tomorrow expiry. It's too late in the day to take a 0 day. Wish I would have caught it here on this 15. Hit this old level. Triggered the inside 30. Re-trigger the inside hour. Yeah, let me get into this really quickly on the small portfolio too. And looking at what we have here, because I think we're going to gap up, I'm going to get the 565s. They're 228 right now. Oh, 226. Just went down a bit. So yeah, gonna get that. We'll see how we go. Anyway, Palantir. SPY was strong. Everything was strong, right? Palantir was just exhausted from being so strong, right? So I was saying that, it's not impossible that you take this and it goes down. It's just not going to be fun, and there's better stuff to do, better shorts to take that will had higher probability. And then Solanke also mentioned that if Palantir goes down here, right? If Palantir triggers a 60, it's a TTO, right? This is that SPY trade I talked about. So in my previous video, okay, I said right here, yeah, I agree, right? It's just a TTO. So with that said, now I'm hocking it to actually happen so that I can get this TTO and long Palantir, which is exactly what it did. Here is my entry. Come on. Here's my entry. Boom. And Palantir just sort of sails up from there. And I'm happy to wait, right? I'm in next week contracts. Again, earnings on Monday. I'm happy to wait for it. Palantir has, again, shown so much strength. This hour obviously went inside. And I don't think that we're going to flip the day today. But it doesn't matter to me. So yeah, that's where I'm at with Palantir. That's why I said what I said. And again, like, I don't know everything. I just, I like to trade on like highest probability trades. So if you're getting into this and this really was your true exit, you still had to live through all of this movement, right? In here before it hit your exit. If you want to do that, 100%, like, take that trade. Similar to what I did in my other video, like when I took Amazon down just to trade it back up, that's what this would have been. It's just a little bit more difficult of a ride down. So that's what I was talking about on Palantir. And yeah, that's it.